Nearly a decade after a fatal DWI crash that left a man dead and a woman in a wheelchair, the state Supreme Court is giving new life to a case, specifically the claim that a restaurant and its server are partially to blame. News 13's Madeline Schmidt is here with the story.
Well, Kim, the woman who survived the crash believes had a bartender cut off her friend, this never would have happened. August 27, 2006 changed Marianne Madrid's life forever.
The next thing I remember is waking up in a hospital after, being a couple of weeks in a coma.
After Madrid and friend Quinn Sanchez left the Chili's Bar and Grill in Los Lunas, where they had been drinking, they got on Sanchez's motorcycle and were later hit by another driver. Sanchez was killed. Madrid was left in a wheelchair.
Nothing will ever bring Quinn back or help me walk tomorrow.
The driver who hit them, Jacob Williams, was drunk, and he spent 3 years in prison for that. But Madrid says Williams isn't the only one to blame for the crash.
She should have been trained on knowing when to stop serving liquor.
She argues had a Chili's employee not overserved Sanchez, he would have maneuvered around Williams's car or made choices to reduce the impact of the crash. A district court judge and the Court of Appeals ruled some of their evidence inadmissible and that they failed to prove their case. So Madrid appealed.
I was happy. It's been 9 years too long.
Yesterday, the Supreme Court decided that evidence that was thrown out will be allowed and ordered it back to district court to be reheard. That brings hope to Madrid.
With this whole new turnover with the Supreme Court, understanding, I think that, I'm hoping and I'm praying that, I can go forward with my life after this is over with.
If the court finds Chili's at fault, they could be fined. Their liquor license can also be suspended or revoked. And this Chili's has been in trouble before for serving alcohol to minors in 2006 and 2008. Kim, back to you.
Okay, thanks, Madeline. Now, Jacob Williams, the drunk driver who caused the crash, was recently convicted for a nearly identical drunk driving crash that killed a Belen man and severely injured his 11-year-old daughter. They too were on a motorcycle.